Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 76 Ford Bronco. Nice Bronco, it's been restored probably a couple years ago because it does have a chip here and there, and I'll show you them, but just a great driver quality Bronco, maybe even above driver quality. It's a nice restoration, so if you want to show it, you certainly could. One thing probably got to do is this hood. They must at one time had a little too long of nut on the air cleaner, so they cracked that, and we got a crack right here in the hood. You know, like I said, oh, that's not a chip even. So a couple chips here and there, like right where they got in, which could be touched up and wouldn't be noticeable. Nice interior, been completely redone with the seats, tilt column, got the factory gauges. We added air conditioning and heat, so that's brand new. They redid the carpet and the full carpet. Instead of the white vinyl top or white hard top, they did it with black and then rhino lined it, so kind of a different look. Uncut Bronco, not a lot of them around anymore. Not jacked up, just a nice, and it drives great too. This is probably, you know, they got a couple holes here. Probably was at one time had a spare tire carrier. So there's two factory holes right there. A couple little chips right there. This is new, so all the chrome on it's pretty good. The bumpers are good. Got near new tires on it. Said no issues in the interior whatsoever, except, oh, can't say that. See that cracking over there on that armrest, and then also on this armrest. So a couple minor little details. You might see a little bubble there from paint prep, but nice and straight. Got a good shine to it, and like I said, they did a nice job. It's really nice and straight, isn't wavy. Just a nice quality job. So a few chips here and there, and then a couple imperfections on the hood. Otherwise, you're good to go. We'll also do a video here of running and driving, so take a look at them. Any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.